In this video, I'm going to share with you 45 tips on how to get more views on YouTube. But before we get into the video, I want to cheer you up and ask you to leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts about the video. How are you today? What have you been up to? As tomorrow I'm gonna be traveling. I love traveling. Alright, so I'm going to share with you 45 tips, and note that these are in random order. And the idea of sharing with you these tips is that, as I go through them, maybe one or two can trigger something in you, and then you're going to improve that, right? And so, yeah, with that said, yeah, it can be very, very useful. So let's give it a start. So tip number one is pick a niche and stick to it. And tip number two, don't post unrelated videos. Tip number three, pick a good name for your channel. Tip number four, stay consistent with your videos. Tip number five, develop your skills. Tip number six, make sure the video quality of your video is good. Tip number seven, create useful content. Tip number eight, use current events and ride on their marketing mojo. Tip number nine, have voiceovers instead of subtitles. Tip number 10, speak like you're talking to a friend and be conversational. Don't forget to smash the like button, please. Tip number 11, share your videos on social media sites. Tip number 12, have fun. Tip number 13, SEO, 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 SEO. Do the keyword research, use tags. Tip number 14, use customized thumbnails. Tip number 15, organize your playlists. Tip number 16, ask for engagement. Please leave a comment below. Tip number 17, become a part of the community. Tip number 18, collaborate with other artists. Tip number 19, respond to viewers' requests. Tip number 20, be prepared for negative comments. Tip number 21, keep on going. Tip number 22, keep studying other videos. Tip number 23, keep a content plan. Tip number 4, remember that everybody got started at some point. Tip number 25, always analyze your results. Tip number 26, make teasers for each video. Tip 27, cut videos ruthlessly. Only keep what matters. Tip 28, make sure the video is not too fast or too slow. Tip 29, do not spam other people's channel. Tip number 30, upload regularly. Tip 31, upload with a schedule. Tip 32, don't use copyrighted music. Tip 33, have useful video descriptions. Tip 34, create your own YouTube URL. Tip 35, add creative effects with YouTube enchantments. Tip 36, live stream videos to YouTube. Tip 37, use Google Trends to explore popular YouTube search terms. Tip 38, create transcripts of your videos. Tip 39, provide content that educates or entertains, or both. Tip 40, use cards. Tip 41, create end screens. Tip 42, post links to your videos on your social media platforms. Tip number 43, find niche communities to share your videos with. Tip 44, reach out to influencers to promote your video. And the last and most important tip, remember to be patient. I hope you enjoyed this video. Cheers. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself. Stay amazing. Stay great. Be great. And stay strong. Believe in yourself. Infinite blessings to you. And I will see you next video. Cheers.